Let's solve another example of Gordon model. The earning per share of a company is rupees 8, that means E is rupees 8, and the rate of capitalization applicable is 10%. Rate of capitalization is 10%. Rate of capitalization mostly represent cost of capital. The company has before it an option of adopting 60%, 80% and 100% dividend payout ratio. DP ratio is 60%, 80% and 100%. That means the retention ratio must be 40%, 20% and 0%. That means there are three specific retention ratio mentioned over here. Compute the market price of the company's quoted share as per Gordon's model if the company can earn a return of 15%, 10% and 5%. Three specific are at the same time three specific retention ratio. That means 3 into 3, 9 separate answers we have to count, 9 specific situations available in these questions, and based on that we have to count the market value per share as per Gordon model depending upon given 9 specific situations. 3 specific payout ratio and 3 specific market rate of return. Then 3 into 3, 9 specific answers we have to calculate. We have to settle down E and K. E is available in the question, that is earning per share. It is mentioned over here, rupees 8. Let me plot over here. E equals to rupees 8. And K, that is cost of capital, that is also mentioned over here, that is 10%. You can plot over here, K equals to 10%, 0.12. Now, the 3 specific R and 3 specific B provided to us. Let me plot over here B and R 1 by 1. Say option 1. R equals to, at first option, 15%, 0.15. Option 2. R equals to 10%, 0.10. Option 3. R equals to 5%, 0.05. 3 specific R depending upon the given condition we are plotting. Next, dividend payout ratio is specifically mentioned in 3 options, option A, option B and option C, 60%, 80% and 100%. Say option A, our B, retention ratio must be 1 minus 60%. Since 60% there is a payout, 1 minus 0.6, we are getting over here 0.4. In option B, similarly, here it should be 1 minus 0.8. Why it is 1 minus 0.8? As because here it is 80% payout. Then what proportion we should retain? 0.20. Option C, the company paid 100%. That means it should be 1 minus 1 rather than we can say 0. In option C, it is 0. Now 3 specific B and 3 specific R we have already been mentioned. Now we have to calculate market value per share depending upon 9 specific conditions. Say first row, first column. E equals to, according to that formula, E 1 minus B. E is 8, 1 minus B is 0.4, whole divided by K minus BR. K is cost of capital, that is 0.10 minus BR. B is 0.4 and R equals to 0.15. Second row and first column, P equals to, our numerator remain as same, 8, 1 minus 0.4, whole divided by K, 0.10 minus BR. B is 0.4 and R is 0.10. Only R we have to change. In third row, first column, once we calculate P, should be, as I said, numerator, there is no change in case of numerator because according to the formula E, 1 minus B remain as same in that case. In denominator, cost of capital 0.10 minus BR 0.4 and R over here is 0.05. Now at first row and second column, P equals to E, that is earning per share according to the Walters formula, 1 minus B B is over here 0.2 divided by cost of capital, that is 0.10 minus BR 0.2, and R over here is 0.15. Similarly, in second row, second column, P equals to 8, 1 minus 0.2 all divided by cost of capital 0.10 minus BR 0.2, 0.10. Well, over here, the third one, second column, numerator remains same, 1 minus 0.2 divided by cost of capital 0.10 minus BR 0.2, and R is 0.05. Well, at first row and third column, P equals to E, that is 8, 1 minus B over here is 0 divided by cost of capital minus BR 0 into 0.15. It will come nil actually. In second row and third column, P equals to numerator remains same, 8, 1 minus 0, cost of capital 0.10 minus BR 0 into 0.10. In third row and third column, P equals to 8, 1 minus 0, 0.10 as cost of capital minus BR 0 into 0.05. Now, one by one, we are going to calculate the market value of shares. Then, otherwise, once we follow, in every box we are getting that same amount of B in first column. In second column, where our B is 20%, then in every box we consider here 0.2 as 20%. At third column it is 0. Similarly, in every case it considered as 0. Now, according to row wise, once we follow, where we get the change actually, row wise it is 0.15. 0.15 is common in every case. Second row also R, market rate of return. In second case, market rate of return is 0.10. It's remains same in every box. Third case also, R is 0.05. Base remain as 0.05. Answer, it is rupees 120, rupees 80, and rupees 60. It is also rupees 80, rupees 80. R is greater than cost of capital. Since cost of capital is 10%, then it is considered as a growth firm. In option 2, R is equals to cost of capital 10%, 10%. It can categorize as a normal firm. And option 3, where R is less than cost of capital, then it is considered as a declining firm. Declining firm. Once you follow, at first phase, the firm retained 40% of the dividend, the value of the firm we got 120. 20% of the dividend, the value of the firm we got rupees 91 approx. Once the company won't retain any dividend, we got over here rupees 80. In case of normal firm, either the company pay dividend or retain dividend, it doesn't have any impact. Okay, irrespective of retention of dividend, we are getting the same figure over here. In case of declining firm, if we retain 40% dividend, the value we got rupees 60. When the firm retain no dividend, the value we got rupees 80. It means that in case of growth firm, the company should retain dividend rather than pay off, and in case of declining firm, the company should pay dividend, because here the company won't pay any dividend. In case of declining phase, we are getting the value of rupees 80, whereas in first column, when the company paid 40%, the value is got 60. Then it supports the theory of Walters. In case of Walters model also, in case of growth firm, it is suggested that the company should retain dividend. In case of declining firm, it is suggested that the company should pay dividend. But if the company won't retain any amount of dividend, in that case, irrespective of the position of the firm, there is no impact on market value option. According to that example also, it is already been proved. In third column, where the company's retention of dividend is nil, we got the same market value of firm irrespective of different phases, like either growth phase, normal phase or declining phase. That is why Gordon models is also known as dividend retain model. Thank you.